look at is I do check their vent to see how mature they are down there, of course. You will notice if they're going to lay an egg pretty soon by the looks of it. Hens will cackle before they lay an egg. Every hen is different. I can have one hen that will cackle before she lays an egg. Another hen, it's like she's at that age, she's at that 16-week mark, for that specific breed that she's going to be ready to lay an egg. They will start nesting. They will start nesting and preparing for that egg. Either they're going to dig a hole and lay an egg in the nest, or they're going to use your nest boxes, depending on that specific bird. But generally, the telltale signs is, age, proper environment. Sometimes they will make a sound. If their hips are, wide enough, they will start preparing to lay an egg. Always make sure that you are providing them calcium after 16 weeks, whether providing them a layer pellet or crumble of 16% or additional oyster shells as well. That will help with having nice firm eggs when they lay them, lessen the softened eggs, and help with their bone development.